Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm and heartfelt welcome from me. If you remember, in the previous session, we made a special section for the admin where he could save an explanation about the site and its keywords. Now we are going to show these in the template and the HTML. Okay, the point that needs to be taken into account is that because we saved these settings on the site field and it wasn't a new record, so we use the same site. That was the point that you need to remember carefully. We just need to add the description to the site dot the name of my field, so txt, and now we can see the result. I refresh the site. I hit view page source, as you see about my site, and the description of the site has been made. And for the keywords, we work the same way, and I say, let's see, site dot, so keyword. I refresh the site, we have no errors. I hit new page sources. As you see, my keywords are being shown over here. Okay, so that's for the initial show of our site where we give the description and the keywords on the page. And now the next thing that we need to do is that we need to copy the added section to all the HTML pages. I copy this, for instance, in the About Us page, and I set it there as well. And in the Contact Us page, sorry, the previous page was Contact Us page, not this one, so we go back and we added it on these two pages. Okay, now in the news detail page, as you see over here, we add it there. Let's go to one of the news and I hit view page source. As you see again, I see the description, we have the title, the keyword is the keyword that the admin has given. Here we want to apply and make some changes, so let's apply and make those necessary changes. If you remember, we received some words as tag. It is empty now, but we received some words as tag. But now we want to set their own tag on each post and be set as the keywords of that tag error, that post. In order to do this, I go to the news view. This is my news detail. Okay, tag name. Let's see what has been sent. We have tag name, tag has been sent. All right, tag is separated. We can send the tag itself, so I send the main tag. It makes things easier, as you see, and tag name. Okay, and save. Now my tag name is getting sent to the news details, and here I just need to, instead of keyword, say tag name. Now let's go to another news that we think has been registered. Yeah, we have some here. Let's see if the code is working here. Yeah, the tags that were set for our post test 1 and test 2 are available here. Thus, for all the news pages that open, we have special keywords. We can change the about so that every page has its own special about page. Even here we can make the news detail title dynamic. And now our news detail that we used here, the name of our site, instead of news detail, we can set other amounts, other values, such as the name of our news. Let's go to the news and see how our news has been sent. Okay, it must be using the get method. We can, let's see, it is using a forwarding. I can copy the forwarding that we have set for show news and set it over here. Okay, let's see, and here I dot name. All right, and here instead of news detail, set I dot name. Now I refresh my site. Instead of news detail, the name of my news has been set here. And if I refresh page resource, now you see it is my site and the name of my news is being shown. We can remove this so that when we go to the news summary, we only have the value of the news name to improve the show of the site more.